How to make money on Amazon. If you've been thinking about entering the world of e-commerce but feel like you've missed the boat, don't worry, the industry is still growing and there are plenty of opportunities to make money online. In particular, Amazon is a great platform for earning income through e-commerce. In 2020, Amazon generated $386 billion in revenue, with over half of that coming from third-party sales. But how do you achieve this? Here are best ways to acquire money on Amazon. Welcome to Finance Dallies, where we share you best ideas about making money online. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for more important updates like this. 1. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. According to data, the most profitable way to make money on Amazon in 2022 is through private label sales with the help of Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) network. A significant percentage of Amazon sellers, around 67%, use the private label method to run their businesses. Private labeling involves taking a pre-existing product, possibly with improvements, and adding your own branding and logos to it before selling it to customers. This method of manufacturing is sometimes referred to as white labeling or brand creation. This method is very effective and can fetch you a huge amount of money if you are ready to start now. Number 2. Publish your books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform enables you to publish and sell your own books on Amazon. You can choose to offer your book in digital format or print format, or both. I've heard that some authors make as much as $40,000 per month. These writers, however, tend to be prolific and write topically to gain notice. Number 3. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Selling wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon's FBA network. Although wholesale selling on Amazon has become more competitive in recent years, it can still be a lucrative way to earn money. One challenge is that you may have to compete with other resellers for the buy box, which can lead to price wars. Another consideration is that your profits depend on being able to purchase goods at a low enough price. Despite these challenges, data shows that 61% of wholesale sellers on Amazon make $5,000 or more in monthly sales. Number 4. Deliver goods for Amazon. You may already be aware that Amazon has its own delivery service. But did you know that you can join their fleet as a driver through the Flex program? To become an Amazon Flex driver, you just need to complete a short questionnaire and download their app. If accepted, you can start earning money right away, similar to how Uber works. According to the Flex homepage, drivers earn between $18 and $25 per hour, and shifts are typically 5 hours long. Some reports indicate that drivers are still paid for the full 5 hours even if they finish their shift early. Number 5. Work from home as an Amazon rep. Amazon has become a major global employer, with a current total of around 650,000 employees. While the company is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, a significant number of its employees work remotely from home. The income you can earn as a work-from-home employee at Amazon varies depending on the position. From a quick search online, it appears that many of the available job opportunities are in data entry and customer service. Additionally, Amazon implemented a minimum wage of $15 per hour in 2018, which means that a full-time work-from-home employee with the company could make at least $30,000 per year. Number 6. Become a blogger. Are you interested in starting a lifestyle blog, creating how-to videos or recipes, or sharing your thoughts and ideas with others? If so, did you know that you can earn money from Amazon while doing so? The Amazon Associates program allows you to earn commissions by sharing links to products on Amazon with your friends and followers. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you receive a percentage of the sale as commission. All you need to do is sign up for the Amazon Associates program and get access to special links that only you can share. Number 7. One job opportunity that has recently gained a lot of attention is working in an Amazon fulfillment center. In these facilities, Amazon Associates are responsible for picking, packing, storing, and shipping products for Amazon and its first and third-party sellers. Overall, there are many ways to make money on Amazon. And the best option for you will depend on your goals, resources, and skills. It's important to carefully research and consider your options before deciding which method is right for you. That will be all today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.